the third method, assumed mean method, in order to find out the coefficient of correlation, we need to apply this formula. R equal to summation of dx dy minus summation of dx into summation of dy divided by n divided by root of summation of dx square minus summation of dx the whole square divided by n into root of summation of dy square minus summation of dy the whole square divided by n. So dx equal to x minus ax, dy equal to y minus ay, ax equal to assumed mean of x series, ay equal to assumed mean of y series, summation of dx dy equal to summation of dx dy, summation of dx square equal to summation of dx the whole square. So utilizing this formula, we'll be solving this question, assumed mean method. Find the coefficient of correlation from the following data by assumed mean method. The question has got two columns here. Fertilizer used in metric tons, it is given as x values, and the second column, productivity in metric tons, given in y values. So in our answer, we need to make 7 columns. First column, fertilizer used, x values, we will copy it as it is from the question. After that, we will find the x value deviation. So dx is equal to x minus assumed mean of x. So assumed mean x equal to, we are giving this x value as 24, assumed mean. Because if we count those first column, if we count those numbers, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values here. The middlemost numbers will be 24 and 30 here. So we can choose any of it. So we are choosing the first one, 24. So we are choosing 24 as the assumed mean. Therefore, x equal to 24. After that, we will be finding out the deviations. So 15 minus 24 is minus 9. 18 minus 24 is minus 6. 20 minus 24 is minus 4. 24 minus 24 is 0. 30 minus 24 is 6. 35 minus 24 is 11. 40 minus 24 is 16. And 50 minus 24 is 26. After that, we'll find out the total. Summation of dx is equal to, we are getting 40. Third column, we need to write down dx square. The dx value need to be multiplied twice. So minus 9 into minus 9. Minus into minus plus. 9 nines are 81, so plus 81. Minus 6 into minus 6 will be 36. Minus 4 into minus 4 will be 16, 0. Next, 6 6 are 36. 11 into 11, 121. 16 into 16, 256. 26 into 26, 676. Total, we'll write on at the bottom, summation of dx square equal to 1222. Now, the fourth column will copy from the question itself, productivity, the y values, all the y values written down there. After that, just like the previous x values, we will find out the assumed mean also from there. Okay, so here also we are choosing 105 as the assumed mean. Now in the fifth column, we need to find out dy deviation equal to y minus y, y minus assumed mean of y. So y is equal to 105. We have chosen as assumed mean from the fourth column, the middlemost number. So after that, we'll solve it and find out the y values, dy values, sorry. So 85 minus 105 will be minus 20. 93 minus 105 will be minus 12. 95 minus 105 will be minus 10. 105 minus 105, 0. 120 minus 105 will be 15. 130 minus 105 will be 25. 150 minus 105 will be 45. And 160 minus 105 will be 55. After that, we will total it. So summation of dy is equal to, we are getting total as 98. Now the sixth column, dy square. So dy value, we will square it. So minus 20 into minus 20 will be 400. Minus 12 into minus 12 will be 144. Minus 10 into minus 10 will be 100. 0. Next, 15 into 15, 225. We will find out all the values like that and get a total as summation of dy square equal to 6544. Now the last column, seventh column, dx into dy or dx dy values. So the second column, dx and dy, the fifth column, we need to multiply and write down in the last, the seventh column. So minus 9 into minus 20 is 180. Minus 6 into minus 12 will be 72. Minus 4 into minus 10 will be 40. 0 into 0 will be 0. 6 into 15 will be 90. Like that, we need to multiply and find out the answers. After that, we need to sum it up and write down summation of dx dy equal to 2807. Utilizing this formula, we need to find out this assumed mean method answer. So r equal to summation of dx dy minus summation of dx into summation of dy divided by n divided by root of summation of dx square minus summation of dx the whole square by n into root of summation of dy square minus summation of dy the whole square divided by n. So we need to fill up all the values which we have already got from the table and Thus, we're writing 2807 minus 40 into 98 divided by 8. 12 root of 12 root of 1222 minus 40 the whole square divided by 8 multiplied by root of 6544 minus 98 square divided by 8. After solving out all this, we're getting 0.99. So our answer, we're getting in positive. So we can say there is a very high degree of positive correlation between fertilizers used by farmers and productivity of the field. It means with increase in proper use of fertilizers, productivity increases.